and open your Visual Studio 2019 and showing here option create a new project. Just click here, create a new project, and showing here ASP.NET Core web application. Select this one and click here next and put here a project name like that, Swagger UI, and just click here create and select here API. Just click here API and we can see that here project created successfully, Swagger UI. We can see that here. Now for Swagger implementation we have to need some package install and manage NuGet package. Just click this one and click here browse, and first one package is that ASP.NET Core Swagger. Copy this one and paste here, and first one option showing here, and just click here install now and just click on I accept, and after that Swagger ASP.NET Core Swagger Gen, like that we can see that here. And second one, this one, Swagger generation, Swagger Gen. Just select this one and install now. And third one is that Swagger UI. Just click this one and click here install, and we can see that here install three packages and ASP.NET Core Swagger, ASP.NET Core Swagger, and Swagger Gen and Swagger UI. Three packages has been installed in my, and three packages installed in this project, and the first one step has been completed and installation of the package. Next step is that and set configuration in startup.cs file. We can see that here startup.cs file, and just double click on this file like that, and showing here two method and configure method and configure service, and this configure service, and inside the configure service, and here inside the configure service we have to return this one, and inside the configure method copy this one, and we can see that here service.add swagger gen and c.swagger doc and open API info, and we can see that here, and here service.add swagger gen, and here we can see that here, and service.add swagger add here successfully, and c dot swagger doc and inject here open API like that, and inside the configure method, and we have written this one code, and app.use swagger UI, and inside the app.swagger UI we have written like that endpoints, and now run this application, we can see that here API runs successfully, and you can see that on my browser and showing JSON here, and right now test Swagger, and just write down this URL, and just refresh your page, and here we can see that here, and the Swagger UI runs successfully. You can see that here, and showing here all methods like that, weather forecast, get method, and just for testing purpose I written here a method on my API controller, in my controller I have written a function, and you can see that here, and the function name get username, and pass here string, and return here string name, and just run this application and check again. You can see that here application runs successfully, and right now showing here weather forecast and weather forecast and username, and just click here get, and showing here try it now, and input we can see that here username, and just click here try it out, and paste here name and my name just for testing, and click here execute. We can see that here, and after execution showing here request URL and status and response body. Inside the response body I find out my name, response headers, that means my API doing good work, and this is today my agenda, and how to implement Swagger and how to test, and I have already tested, and pass here parameter my name, and and after passing parameter and execute and showing my response body in my below, and here we can see that here like that my response body, and that's it, and this is my whole agenda today. And thank you so much watching this video, and if you like this video please subscribe channel.